All right, so when we have a triangle like this, and we're trying to find the angle measures, all right, and they just gave us a description of this, so we drew this picture. This length is 7, this length is 24, this length is 25. So we already know that angle C has what angle measure? 90. So angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Now, you have angle B, which we need to figure out. All right, so let's look at angle B. All right, I'm going to draw a line like this. Now, given angle B, this side over here is my opposite side. Okay, this is my hypotenuse, and this is my adjacent side. Now, the cool thing is that you have all three lengths. Okay, so we can choose whatever trig function we want to use. Okay, what's your favorite? Do you have a favorite trig function?
So.
You like sine?
Sine.
Okay, so if I were to write sine of B, okay, in this case, that would be my opposite side divided by my hypotenuse. So it would be 7 over 25. Okay, now to find my angle measure, I have to do the inverse and switch it. So sine inverse of 7 divided by 25 is equal to angle B. Okay, or you could do arc sine of 7/25 is equal to angle B. So we get that angle B, okay, when we do this, when you plug that into your calculator, that angle B is equal to about 16.2 degrees. Now if you look, all right, based on your picture that we drew, that should be a pretty small angle. All right, it doesn't open up that much. Plus it's not far from that. So if this is 16.2, all right, 0.2 degrees, how else could you find angle A? So in order to find angle A, you could take 180, all right, angle A is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 16.2. What do we get for that? Okay, we get 73.8 degrees, all right? So that's one way of doing it, all right? Now the other thing you could do is you could set up a trig function. We'll call this the opposite side. This is the adjacent side if we're looking at angle A. And you like sine, so let's do that. Let's do sine of angle A is equal to 24 divided by 25. Okay, and if I wanted to find the angle, I would do sine inverse of 24 over 25, and that's equal to angle A. Okay, or you could do arc sine of 24 over 25 is equal to angle A. And what do we get?
73.
73.73. So on this, yeah, so you get angle A is equal to 73.73, and it kind of continues on. But if we round this to one decimal place, then that's going to give us angle A is equal to 73.8, which is what we got by doing that. So it doesn't matter how you do it, however you want to set it up, but in any case, that's what we have to do.